We're looking at number 1. Number 1 says we want to find the measure of arc DE, measure of arc FE, measure of arc DEF, and measure of arc CFD, and the measure of arc DFE. So what we have here is two diameters, CE, DF, and the way we can go about this, what we could do is we can start moving some things around. Okay, this is 104 degrees. That means this arc has to be 104 degrees. Why do I know that? It's because what we have here is a vertical angles. Then, since we know that CE is a straight line through a diameter, that means 104 degrees plus this would give you 180. So to find this arc right here, we would just do 180 minus 104, and that would get us 76 degrees. That's 76, therefore this has to be 76. Alright, we found all the angles, so let's find the measure of the arcs. So what we have here, the measure of arc DE, that's going to be 104 degrees. Then we have the measure of FE, which would be 76 degrees. We have the measure of DEF, which would be 180 degrees. That'd be a semicircle. We're looking for the measure of CFD. CFD, so it'd be 208. We have here, you would just do 104 plus 76 plus 104. That gets you 284, so that would be 284 degrees. Then we're looking for the measure of DFE. So DFE, the only thing not included is not this 104 degrees, so all you can do is 360 minus 104, then you get 256 degrees. And that's how you do number 1. If we look at number 2, all we're giving is the arc is 25 degrees, this is 44 degrees, so let's try to figure out what everything is. First thing that we're given is that we have this diameter. With the diameter, it always equals 180. So to find this missing arc right here, you could just do 180 minus 44 minus 25. And you get right here, this would be 111 degrees. From here, we know that this is the diameter based off its orientation. So to find this right here, all you have to do is 180 minus 25, and you get right here, this is 155 degrees. And again, since we have UR, which is a diameter, all you have to do is do 180 minus 155, and you get 25 degrees right here. It doesn't look like it, but you didn't have to do that because if you can see, it's vertical angles. But it's just another way of looking at it. Alright, we got all the angles, so we can start looking what we need. We need the measure of TQ. TQ would be 44 plus 25, which would get you 69 degrees. Then we're looking for the measure of QR. QR would be 155 degrees. Now we're looking for the measure of TS, which would be 111 degrees. Now we're looking for the measure of SQR, only thing not included. When we do that, major arc is 25 degrees, so to find that you just do 180 minus 25. You get 155 degrees. Lastly, we're looking for RQT. Only thing not included are these two, but we can just add up those. 155 plus 25 plus 44, get 224 degrees. So there you have it. That's how you do number 2.